Alright, what's up guys? It's Chase here, and today I'm going to be making some, not really sure what the proper name for them are, but I'm just going to call them like shoes for my kayak, so I can stand up while I'm fishing in this thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and take you through my process of building it. Alright guys, so I'm in the kayak. Got my stabilizers on, and they're working pretty good so far. You can kind of see one in the background. Let me go ahead and show you. So it looks kind of like the Star Wars ship. I'll go ahead and put a picture in there because it's funny. But I think it works really good. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but I'm not going for looks here. I'm just going for like functionality, and it's working pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and like go out there in the water so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright guys, so I think it works really well. I'm pretty proud of it. I didn't think it was going to work that well because I kind of just popped an idea in my head. Yeah, it's working really great. I couldn't even stand up last time I went in this thing, and now I got these little stabilizers, and I stood up perfect. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please leave a like and subscribe, and tune in for another video. I'm going to be making one. I went and bought a trolling motor, so I'm going to go ahead and like make a little bracket, and I'll show you guys how it works too. So hope you guys have enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.